Hey you guys, it's Miriam. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a hair product review video. Woo woo! So today I am going to be reviewing the TGIN new collection. Yeah, I love the box. I'm all about pink. So let's see what's in the box. Here's a nice little picture, curls and roses, curls, kinks, and waves. And then here are some of the products. The Rose Water sulfate-free hydrating shampoo, and it has, of course, the rose water and the acai berry, if I'm saying that correctly. And so it's a gentle moisturizing shampoo for soft, smooth, and frizz-free hair. And that's how I like it, because my hair is very frizzy right now. So we have a shampoo, and then we have a rose water smooth leave-in conditioner. So this has the same, again, ingredients. So yeah, this is their rose water leave-in conditioner. And then we have the rose water hydrating hair mask. I am all for a good hair mask, you guys, okay? Since going natural, I feel like you need to deep condition your hair. You have to at least once a week. And so this is going to be really nice to add to my collection of deep conditioners. So the rose water curl defining styling gel. So this is going to be really nice for a nice wash and go, or if you're trying to do a slick bun, a slick high curly puff. I feel like that would be really nice. And then the last product of their collection is the rose water curl defining mousse. So this would be for like a perm rod, a 2-strand twist, or you could do a wash and go. People do different variations with wash and goes and different products. So, and I'm so excited to try these products and just review them for you guys. So I am going to show you step by step using the different products and also just tell you my honest opinions. This video is sponsored by TGIN. So thank you so much for TGIN partnering with me and allowing me to use your guys' new products. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And so let's get right into it. And now I'm starting off with the Rose Water Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo. The shampoo in the collection has the rose water as well as acai berry in the ingredients. It also has no sulfates, parabens, petroleum, mineral oil, and artificial colors. So now I'm just working the shampoo throughout my hair. Again, you guys, the smell smells so amazing. The whole collection, again, it just smells really nice and refreshing like roses, as well as I feel like it has a really nice feminine scent to it. So now I'm just working the shampoo throughout my hair, as well as using my wide tooth comb to comb through just to make sure, again, my hair gets cleansed as well as my scalp. Now that my hair is nice and clean, I am going in with the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. This mask is thebomb.com, you guys. It is nice and creamy. Again, the smell is amazing. I really enjoyed using this product. I feel like it worked really well in my hair. But as you can see, I don't just apply deep conditioner just on my hair in the shower. I like to section my hair just to make sure that all of my hair is coated nice and evenly throughout. Again, just so I can make sure and ensure the deep conditioner is working in my hair. Notice with this hair mask, a little bit goes a long way. So you don't need a lot of this to make sure that it's effective. So now I'm going in with my plastic cap. So again, I just section my hair. And so I'm going to leave this in while I wash up for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinsing out the hair mask, my hair felt so healthy, hydrated, my curls were nice and defined, and I was so excited to start styling my hair with the other products. I decided to do a wash and go for this style and using the products, and so I'm going in with the Rose Water Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. You can see I am not using much product. Again, this is my first time using the collection, so I wanted to just go a little easy and work it in my hair. And now I'm going in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Gel. This is I would say more of a lightweight gel, at least for my hair type. I believe it worked nice in my hair. Again, I applied the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going in right after with the Curl Defining Gel. Again, I'm using just a little bit, but I did notice that I had to use a little more because, again, I just wanted to make sure that my hair would last and the curls would pop. I'm just going to be repeating the same steps, sectioning my hair into small sections and then parting it in twos, applying the water plus my Denman brush to comb through, and then going in with the leave-in, then the curl defining gel. I also noticed that my hair had a nice shine to it, which I really enjoyed. My curls did not look dull when they were wet. I also felt like my curls were nice and defined, and again, didn't have any stiffness or crunchiness to it. So that was another pro for me, and I'm using this collection. Hey you guys, so I am back, and these are my final results from using the TGIN Rose Water Curls and Rose Collection. So my hair is about 90, I would say, percent dry. I did have to sit under the hooded dryer for a little bit just to kind of knock the wetness off because it is later in the evening and I don't want to go to bed with my hair wet. But the pros, I would say, from this collection, I loved really honestly all the products. I did not try, though, let me take it back. I did not try the foam mousse because I didn't do a perm rod set or anything, but I do plan on using this for a perm rod set or some flat twists one of these days. But I enjoyed using all of the products. They're very hydrating for the hair. And I have to say my favorite product is kind of a tie, you guys. I gotta be honest. Probably the leave-in conditioner or the hydrating hair mask. I'm not sure, like they're like neck and neck, but this right here is like a game changer. I feel like I could put this with any gel or any curling cream or custard to really make my wash and go pop. So this is like a lifesaver right here. I really enjoyed using this product. It was just really smooth. It made my hair feel really soft. It smelled, again, the smell is amazing. So you guys definitely got to try this. The Curl Defining Styling Gel. I don't know, my hair does weird things with gels. I normally do like a cream, a heavy cream, and or a lighter gel. This was a nice gel. I just think I may have applied too much of it with the leave-in conditioner. Next time I'm gonna try this combo again and use less of this and more of the leave-in, and I'm sure it'll be fine. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed my results. I love them. I'm really hoping it lasts for at least 4 or 5 days like most of my wash and goes. But thank you again, TGIN, for sponsoring this video. They are exclusively at Ulta Beauty, so make sure you guys go to Ulta Beauty online and or in store. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, support your sister. Also follow me on Instagram. It's @Michelle_. Again, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.